Have you ever wondered how an aeroplane, a massive metal structure, defies gravity and flies high in the sky? It's a fascinating concept that combines the principles of physics, engineering, and a little bit of magic. All right, maybe not magic, but it certainly seems that way, doesn't it? So let's unravel this mystery together, shall we? First, we need to understand the four fundamental forces that make flight possible: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Weight is the force of gravity pulling the aircraft down. Lift is the force that opposes weight and keeps the plane in the air. The wings of an aeroplane are designed in such a way that they generate lift when air flows over them. This is due to a principle in physics known as Bernoulli's principle. According to Bernoulli's principle, when air speeds up, its pressure decreases. The shape of an aeroplane's wings, known as an airfoil, is designed so that air moves faster over the top than the bottom. This creates a pressure difference, with higher pressure beneath the wing and lower pressure above, resulting in lift. Thrust is the force that moves the aircraft forward. It's produced by the engines, which suck in air at the front, compress it, mix it with fuel, and ignite it. The resulting explosion pushes the air out the back of the engine, propelling the plane forward. This is an illustration of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Drag is the resistance an aircraft faces as it moves through the air. There are two types of drag: parasitic drag, which includes form drag and skin friction, and induced drag, which is related to the creation of lift. Aeroplanes need to balance these four forces to fly. When an aeroplane accelerates down the runway, it generates enough lift to oppose its weight and enough thrust to overcome drag. Once it's in the air, it adjusts its speed and the angle of its wings to maintain that balance. So, in summary, the flight of an aeroplane is a delicate dance of forces. The weight pulls the aircraft down, while the lift, generated by the special shape of the wings and the air flowing over them, opposes this downward force. The engines produce thrust to move the aircraft forward, overcoming the resistance of the air, or drag. By balancing these forces, an aeroplane is able to soar high in the sky, transporting us to distant lands in a matter of hours. Isn't it amazing how humans have harnessed the laws of physics to create such a remarkable piece of technology? The next time you're on an aeroplane, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science that's making your journey possible.